Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to show you a complete ZATCA E-Invoicing software phase 1 and phase 2. How you can implement this in your business. First of all, you can see this is user login form. You can create multiple users. I'm just going to continue with the admin account. So you can see this is our software dashboard main menu. Okay, first I'm going to create add item. For example, you have any kind of business, you can create your items here. For example, I suppose that my business is spare parts. Okay, so I'm going to create a category for spare parts. Here I will create the items like part, and here I create the item like, for example, ABC item. Okay, you can save this item. This item is added. Now you can just write in Arabic, English, both languages support it. Okay, now if I want to create the purchase bill, I can create the purchase bill. If I want to make the sale bill fatura, I can make the sale bill. Now I'm directly creating the sale bill. Before that, I will add the new customer. I can create the customer account. For example, Abu Ali Trading LLC, customer contact number, address, for example, Riyadh Saudi, region, sub-region, telephone number, VAT registration number, CR number, Sajjal Tijari, each and everything you can add here. And I'm going to save this. Alright, now you can see the Abu Ali Trading is listed in my customer list. Right, now creating the sale invoice. Now here I will select Abu Ali Trading LLC. Automatically the address, telephone number, VAT number, CR number appears. Now here I will just put the item, ABC item. Okay, here I will set the quantity, the rate. For example, the rate is 400 Riyal and the quantity is like for example 5 quantity. Okay, now it's total 2000. You can see 15% VAT included, including VAT 300. Now 2300 is the total amount. Now I'm just going to print this. So you can see this is complete fatura. Alright, here your company name, your VAT number, each and everything will be here appears, and the approved ZATCA QR code. This you can see this, a beautiful invoice. According to this, we can create your invoice, whatever your business format we will create for you. So this is our complete ZATCA e-invoicing software for your business. You can create multiple reports like purchase report, your sale report, your inventory report, your accounts ledger, your payables, receivables, cash and bank balances, each and everything yani you will get in this software. So just contact us today. You will find our number in the description box. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.